Look at that man's doing his job. So, just got off of work, guys, and this is the A.O.A vlog number 1. Enjoy. Let's get to the lake, do a little casting, testing out a new rod. It's a prototype of Fox River. We're gonna go test it out, see what's up. But yeah, let's get going. Let's drive. Oh yeah! That's a nice one. Oh, it did its job. It did its job, as you can see. It's an okay fish, but now I gotta climb back down this hill and get it back in the water. That rod actually flipped the fish crazy good. The rod's extremely light. I love it. The only thing with it is I think it's more of a flipping rod than a casting rod. I'll give you guys the specs on it in a second, but first I'm gonna release the beast. Yeah. Bye. Oh, my foot's stuck on a nail. Oh, it's so cold out. You guys don't even know. My hands, my fingers are red. Okay, so spinnerbait, yeah, it did the trick. The specs on this rod, I haven't even looked at it yet. It's a 7.3 medium heavy fast taper action, line weight 10 to 20 pounds, lure weight 1/4 to 1 ounce. This is an extremely light rod. Doesn't even feel like it should be able to take that, but I'm gonna try to get another. I'll talk more about it in the car. But look at this beautiful sunset I get to enjoy out here when I'm fishing. This is what I live for. Beautiful sunsets like this. All right. I can do this. Ah. That doesn't work. So, yeah, it looks like it's raining or something over there. Yeah, that is. Just like to see. Yeah. Bye. Okay, I think I found my next spot. I'm gonna set you guys right there. Yeah. Yeah, first cast. There she is. Now, man, this rod really does wonders. We're running out of time before the sun's down. But I'm gonna hopefully catch a couple more, test out this rod to the max before I grab some food, because I'm hungry now. I really need some food, but this is my Instagram story during my video. There she is. Yeah, here's the release. Yeet. I'm thinking we get one more and then try to get out of here before the sun is completely down. Sounds like a pretty good plan to me. Yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa. This is Mr. Zombie. I've seen this fish swimming in this area for the last couple times I've been out here actually. Look at the size of that mouth on him. Look at this stinky one too. Ew. He smells disgusting. Look at his eye sockets. His eye sockets are like caved in. It's a weird looking bass. That's number 3. I think I got a couple more casts though. Yeah, a couple more. Okay, so I kind of said screw it because my hands were too cold to even do anything. But guess who I found? It's Ryan. Yeah. Yo, go follow my boy Ryan. Hey, 6 feet. 6 feet, boy. You can test. Here, I got a little hack for you guys. So, you know, social distancing, right? It's supposed to be 6 feet apart or farther. This rod is 7'3". So if I hold it from the very bottom, touch the tips, and I can touch Ryan, then we're far enough apart. Now if you want to be extra safe, why? If you want to be extra safe, you don't throw rods, because that's not safe at all. I wasn't trying to. You touch the tips of the rods together, and that's 7 plus 7, that's 14 feet. Like, you're more than safe. Hey, back up. I'm far away. But yeah, I'm hungry, so we gotta get some food. I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet. We'll figure that out as we go. And we're gonna enjoy our walk back. Look at that sunset. Yeah, it looks like it's raining over there. I know, it does. Kinda. Some snow tonight. Yeah, that's great. Yeah. Here in Illinois, we get snow in April, 5 days before my birthday. This is honestly the latest I've ever seen snow, I think. Pretty sure. Yeah, Ryan's vlogging. Yeah, we're gonna grab food or something. I'll let you guys know where we're going here in a second. All right, boys. We've what? Talking to my camera. Okay. We've come to a conclusion. This rod is insane, and we're gonna go eat at Culver's, but first we're gonna get some gas, because gas is like extremely cheap. I don't know how much it is wherever you guys live, which most of my subscribers are from Chicago, so it's probably like $2. Down here it's like, last time I looked, it was like $1.45 or something. So that is very, very good gas prices. But let me know down below in the comments what it is where you live. I'm curious to figure that out. But let's get.
Can I help you?
No.
Okay.
Right, so looking at the gas prices, we're right around, if it'll focus, I said, 149 unleaded. That's cheap. It's really, really cheap.
I like it.
Yeah, we love it. But my gas is done, so I gotta go get it. Episode, I hope you enjoyed. Kind of, I don't know, it was all over the place kind of, but at the same time it wasn't, I don't know, it kind of followed the theme of things. But I'm going fishing right now, and that's pretty much it. It's about 2 weeks later. I've been really, really slacking on the edits, and I'm sorry about that, but I've been busy. Very important things have been happening. I hope you guys enjoyed the #1 vlog on my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of A.O.A. If you have not yet, make sure you smash that subscribe button. It will help me support me. I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000 subs, and I'm almost there. So if you can go ahead, smash that like button. It'll help me a lot. And if you liked the video, make sure you go down below and leave a like. Show your support, and see you guys in the next episode.